the last thing that comes to mind is reports. I'd love to see financial reports, inventory related reports, sales reports.
Yeah. So the
And
first couple that came to mind, right? Acumatica has a whole host of built-in reports, right? But a lot of these are like sales profitability reports by customer, and by customer and order, so if I were to come in here and say, all right, I want to look at this and say sales profitability by customer, well, let's look at that customer we were just looking at, right? It's Alta Ace. So I'm going to say um, this one right here. And so I can run this report. It's going to go, granted, I'm going to open it up just a little bit more. And you're seeing me do this right on the fly, so I'm not sure why
Yeah,
it's not pulling
branch.
up.
it's all good.
Try the retail branch maybe. Or all branches. It's kind of a nice selection screen there because you can say, show me all branches or just pick one.
Yeah, that was my branch selection, but here's my Alta Ace company. It's telling me I've done $47,000 in sales. Here's my cost, here's my margin. So it's a quick profitability report that's built directly in Acumatica. And I point a lot of customers that I work with to these. I'm like, pay attention to these. These are good built-in reports. And the other one that is also an important one to look at, right? There's also sales profitability analysis, which is more of a grid screen, but this starts looking at all the orders, right? And it'll also start highlighting when you're not meeting, based off of profitability. So here's my margins right here. If I drop between a certain margin that we have set, I can start highlighting yellow, red, and green based off of profitability. The other one that I would like to highlight is the AR aging report. And so you can also do it by summary or detailed. So if I click summary and say age as of 5/12, 5/14, this goes and looks at all the accounts. And once again, it's catching me by the branch. There we go. So then it goes and looks at everything right here and gives me a summary of all the customers and what their aging is all the way down. You're going to notice inside of Acumatica, there's a whole host of what we call reports. And these are all built in, these come standard. And then there's another set that's called inquiries. And inquiries are very similar to reports, but they're just more of an Excel-based format look. And so every module that you come into will have every section in here called reports and inquiries that you'll be able to look through. So here's the sales order section. Here's the inquiries. Here's my purchases. Here's my reports. And here's my inquiries that come standard.
Now, does Acumatica have a query builder or any sort of report builder that is either user friendly to the user, the typical user, or a basic developer?
Yes, it does have a report designer, and anybody that's familiar with Crystal Reports kind of report builder would pick up on the Acumatica report builder pretty quick. And there's also what's called generic inquiries that work very similar to like building a SQL query. And so it does take a little bit of a technical mindset to do those, but they can be learned fairly quick.
Well, that about wraps it up, I think. Um, Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Andrew. This has been very insightful, and hopefully it'll be really insightful to a lot of other people who are shopping for the best ERP for their mid-sized business. And like we talked about earlier, Acumatica is a good fit for companies that do anywhere between 15 million a year to what would you say, 250 million a year, depending on the type of business, whether they're wholesale distribution, manufacturing, or e-commerce.
Yeah, it could definitely go a lot higher than that, but yeah, it fits a lot of verticals.
Well, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. The purpose of subscribing is to not miss other Acumatica videos that we'll publish. And if you're searching for the right inventory management software or ERP, your subscription will show other videos that we publish and help you find the right inventory management software. Hagenbach is a great implementation company. Brando Consulting helps companies find the right software. So depending on whether you're looking for the right software or looking for the right implementer, give Brando Consulting a call or Hagenbach a call. If you call one of us looking for the other, we'll send you to the right person anyway. So be sure to reach out to us and we'll take good care of you. We really care about the small business owners because we are implementers at heart and have been involved in hundreds of implementations in our career. We like to see implementations succeed. In order for an implementation to succeed, you need the right software with the right features, set up right, and used right. And our goal is always happy customers that have success in their implementation project.